We'll guide you through how to see old Outlook email. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because older emails are often hidden by default sorting, making them hard to find. Users may need past messages for work records, receipts, confirmations, or deleted emails recovery. This guide helps Microsoft Outlook users quickly change sorting settings to locate old emails without searching manually or scrolling endlessly. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to your account correctly. After typing the email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you are signed in successfully, go to the Mail section after signing in to make sure you are viewing your email interface. Next, open your Inbox folder to see all incoming and existing messages in one place. In the inbox, click the sorted icon to change the sorting order from newest on top to oldest on top, so messages are rearranged. After applying this change, your old Outlook emails will now appear at the top of the list, making them easier to locate. For the second method, click Sort by Date from the available sorting options near the message list. From the sorting menu, select Oldest on Top to adjust the order based on message date. Once this option is selected, your old Outlook emails will now be displayed at the top of the list in date order. You can also apply the same steps to other folders, for example the Deleted Items folder, if you need to review older removed messages. Open the Deleted Items folder from the folder list on the left side of Outlook. Inside the Deleted Items folder, click the sorted icon again to change the sorting order from newest on top to oldest on top. After the sorting order is updated, the oldest deleted emails will now appear at the top of the list for easy access. For the second method in this folder, click Sort by Date to open the date-based sorting options. Select Oldest on Top to reorder the deleted emails by age. Once selected, the oldest deleted emails will now be displayed at the top of the folder, allowing you to quickly review earlier messages.